Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video at the World of Crypto. In today's video, we're going to be showcasing how you can do a couple of testnet activities on Avantis, which is a decentralized leverage trading platform, and it's designed for different types of cryptocurrencies as well as for Forex. Now, they have been funded by many reputable companies, and they have investors from Galaxy, you have Base Ecosystem, Founders Fund, you have Pantera Capital, as well as Modular Capital. They raised across all of these different investors up to 4 million. And this is something that is time sensitive as it's going to be ending fairly shortly on the 17th. So you need to make sure that you do this within a couple hours. This is something that you should get to right away, and we're going to showcase this throughout today's video. Now, first things first, what you want to do is go on to this website link, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. What you want to first do is also go on this Galaxy link, and you want to make sure that you follow the space. This is by simply clicking this follow button over here, follow the socials, and once you have done all the social tasks, you can then move forward with the limit orders. This is where we're going to be interacting with the testnet of Avantis. So what you want to do is go on to their Avantis trading site. You can go to the faucet, which will give you a couple of ETH on on the Ethereum testnet as well as on USDC. But first things first, what you want to do is click on login. You want to connect your MetaMask. Once you have connected your MetaMask, it will tell you to switch over to the Gorilla testnet, which you can easily do. And once you have done that, it will add the network for you for Avantis. Once that is done, you can then click on login over here. I already did this. So then it will tell you there's two steps that you need to take: request 0.05 ETH or request 100 USDC. Now, you can do this every, I believe, 115 minutes, and you can get more USDC every minute, I believe. But with the ETH, you're going to have to find other faucets, and you can easily do that online, or you can go to the network faucets on Base, which you can take a look at over here. If you go on Learn Web3, you can easily get a couple of Base tokens. I mean, not this one, but there's a couple other ones over here. I believe it was the quick node one, and you can simply just click on this faucet, gain some testnet tokens off of this for Ethereum by connecting your wallet, selecting the chain that you want it, and pasting your address over here, and just simply clicking on connect. But once you have collected your tokens, what you want to do is go to this Avantis page over here. Now, the first task is making a limit order, which is placing this limit order on any asset of your choice. So what you can simply do is go onto BTC or Ethereum, select one of these two coins, click on the order type to limit, and you want to set the limit type to something that's close within this range. In this case, you can just simply set it over here. You can go max coins, or you can even go a little bit less. In my opinion, you want to make sure that you go max, because one of the quests or one of the requirements is that you have a total trade of 5k in total volume on Avantis. So I totally recommend that you increase the trade volume for this. So this is by increasing the leverage. You can then simply just click on practice order, confirm limit order, and then it will prompt you open to the MetaMask signature. You can then just simply click confirm, and then you can place that order. Now, this is for obviously like placing that limit order. You need to make sure that the limit order is executable. So once that is executable, you can then click on the refresh button, and you can access or gain this requirement on the Galaxy page. What you want to do next is open either a Forex or metals market trade. So what you can do for this is you can simply just click on all markets over here and click on Forex. What you can do next is click on the USD dollar versus the Japanese yen. You can click on that. You can click any sort of leverage you want, select the amount, which is your collateral, and then you can just place this order over here. This will take a couple of seconds. You then need to sign your signature, and once you have placed this order, you can then go back onto Galaxy and confirm that you did this task. Next, you want to go to open either ETC or ETH, and BTC market trade. This is fairly easy, so you can go back onto Avantis, go back to your crypto, click on BTC, click it on market, do any sort of trade, and click practice order, sign the signature, rinse and repeat. Like, it's easy as that, guys. Once that is done, you'll be able to then fulfill the requirement for this third task over here. And once you do this a couple of times, you will be able to be crossing that 5K volume for Avantis on the trades that you have accumulated. And once that is done, you can then obviously go to the quiz. The answers for the quiz is ACAC. It's super easy. I can't show you right now, but it's super easy. You just click the first A category or the option on the quiz, click C for the next question, click A for the third question, and then C again for the fourth question. Once all of that is done, you can then switch to the base mainnet and claim this NFT as well as these points for Galaxy. Once that is done, you will be gaining that eligibility criteria if they do drop an airdrop for Avantis, and this will be geared towards the testnet users for their platform. This is a lot of funding, not a lot of users, as there's only around 18K participants. That's pretty good for a big, small trading platform like this. Not a big, small, but a big trading platform like Avantis. And that's basically it for this video, guys. That's how you can participate for the testnet activities on Avantis. I'll leave all the links for this or for whatever I did in today's video in the description below. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, follow us on Twitter, and I highly, highly recommend that you check out our previous videos so you can stay up to date with the latest crypto news. So with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Spread positivity, and I'll see you guys fairly shortly. Peace out, fellas.